Lead generation pages, 30 lead generation pages optimized for conversions. Salesforce, minimal copy and a bulleted list. HubSpot, how-to, headlines. Digital Marketer, bold headline, subhead combo. Unmetric, the form and CTA. Tableau, multiple calls to action. WalkMe, client and award badges. Microsoft Small Business Academy, CTA button color is bright. Traffic and funnels, 2 big, bold CTA buttons. Likeable local, the headline. Reach local, images provide value. Zillow Premier Agent, this page is short. iPro Academy, strong headline. iPro Academy Yellow Pages Marketing Solution, action-oriented CTA. Perkville, short bulleted result-oriented copy. Workable, free offer. Litmus, only one form field. Dropship Lifestyle, free mentioned in bold. Acquizo, great stats back up all their claims. Megalithic, concise copy. Smart Cybernetics, Google Partner Badge. WordStream, unique service. Portnix, business offers a preview. Playbuzz, powerful headline and sub-headline. Infusionsoft, unique approach. Expert Market, check the boxes form. Spiceworks, key takeaways section. Vertical measures, page not connected to main navigation. Verinos, CTA button copy relevant to offer. The Appointment Generator, headline conveys quick and easy benefits. The Hoth, strong headline. Check description to get more great lead gen pages. Subscribe to our channel to get our next free landing pages from us.